Hello, and welcome to Vlogmas number 7, maybe, or something. I said I wasn't going to vlog today. It's Wednesday, because I'm saving my voice. I woke up with a scratchy throat ache. I don't know what's going on. Anyway, I did my nails. I opted for a classic red, which I hadn't. I'm usually going for like crazy colors or patterns and stuff. I'd never actually used these before. It took me ages. Oh, I can just see there's a bit of dust trapped under the top coat. Never mind. I'm pleased with how I put these on. Actually, they went on really neatly. It just took me forever. It feels as if I've been doing this for like 2 hours. I don't think I have, but probably took me about an hour. But because it's so cold in this room, it's like, I don't know, it's like 14 degrees in this room or something. They wouldn't like stick and mold to my fingers, so I was like using my heat tool to heat them up so that they would actually, you know, like get a bit soft and stick. And then I put a gel top coat on top because these nails are just stickers. They're not gel nails, so they need a little top coat to last. So this is all in advance in preparation for my Christmas concert. The dress code is black, so I will be wearing the same thing that I have worn the last few years because I did look at new dresses. I was having a look on Depop if I could find anything, but I didn't see anything that like really spoke to me and was affordable. So I'm just like, I will just wear what I know I've got in my closet. At least that takes the stress out of things. So there's that. Taking so long with my nails has actually allowed me to do a proper catch up with my vlog watching because I have had like no time. I don't know what's going on. Is this just what Christmas season is like? I don't know. I feel like previously I was like using my free time to play video games and to do like friendship bracelets, and I'm like, I'm not doing those things, and yet I feel like I have no time and haven't gotten around to anything. But I guess I'm just chipping away at some of the stuff that needs doing, and it is super busy at this time of year. Things you don't notice that take up your time, like for example yesterday Zephyr had his Christmas play, so that was like, you know, that was really great to go and watch, but that was like my whole morning gone. Yeah, I feel like I'm in an okay place when it comes to Christmassy stuff, preparations. I haven't been doing any choir or singing practice because saving my voice. I'm gonna record a video now for Patreon. I was gonna make it a chatty video, but it probably has to be something that isn't a chatty video, but never mind, it just is what it is. Andrew is picking up Zephyr from school later, which is great, so that gives me a little bit more time. But then after that I'm taking the kids to their swimming lesson, you know, #mom life. That's just life. Oh yeah, I meant to show you my little cardigan. You've probably already seen it. It's not a little cardigan, actually, it's a big cardigan. You've probably already seen it in some of the vlogs, but I am a big fan of like the kind of Taylor Swift vibes oversized cardigan thing, and I try to get secondhand ones off of Depop, 100% wool. So they've changed my life. I have to say, I've got 2 cardigans, 100% wool, and all of a sudden I'm like, I am not cold. It's really cold outside. It's like -2 at the moment, and you know, it's pretty cold, but I'm not suffering with the cold either inside, because our house is pretty cold as well at the moment, or outside, and it's changed my life. Honestly. Anyway, I'm gonna keep going with my day. I'm going to make myself some tea, do some steam inhalation, and not talk anymore. Oh, hi. I've been a busy bee. Christmas tree earrings. I've been planning to make these for ages. I actually made these shapes with the polymer clay sometime in October, but I never got around to painting them, mostly because this is not my favorite job. But the knowledge that I will have my own little Christmas tree earrings to wear is enough to get me to do it. So the plan is to wear these for the Christmas concert. Nothing like a bit of last minute pressure to actually like do stuff and get it done. I painted this with acrylic paint, and then the light green is acrylic gouache, and then the baubles are done with Posca pens. I have been drying it with my heat tool, but I've noticed that the acrylic gouache is taking a little while to fully dry. So I want to put these away for a little bit, for maybe a couple of hours, so that they can dry fully before I varnish them. I'm going to varnish them with gel nail top coat because it's really nice and shiny, and I can like pop it into the curing UV light so that they're all done, as opposed to using other types of varnish that like require several coats and takes overnight to dry. I don't have time for that. So UV top coat, that's my little tip. Now I'm gonna go and film that Patreon video, even though I'm exhausted. Gosh, look at these. I like them because they are festive, Christmas tree-y. Yes, go away. But they are not, like, they're not super over the top. Like, they're a little bit bigger than these strawberries, but yeah. I love them. Yay. I did a good job. I finished these, and I also did some filming for Patreon, which is much overdue. I did some experimenting with soft pastels and kind of incorporated them into my mixed media workflow. Like, that's what I was kind of trying to experiment with. Like, how can I incorporate these? I don't want to be a pastel artist. I don't have the aspirations to be any specific type of artist, as in, like, I don't need to be a watercolor artist or an oil painter or a pastel artist, but I do love incorporating these types of different supplies into my mixed media repertoire. So I'm very happy with how that went. Filmed it for Patreon. That's coming soon. Now I'm gonna have lunch and warm up downstairs. Hello, good evening. It is many hours and swimming lessons later. I have my daily tea. What is it today? It is Revitalize. It's something with like cinnamon, cardamom, and something else. I don't really like cinnamon in my tea. Let's see, what's the little rhyme? Where is it? It was, this is a brew of festive cheer, spices and sweetness at this time of year. Finally, a rhyming one. Right, what are we doing? I am making some pasta. Not that whole bag, mind you. I am making, at the request of Zephyr, I am making macaroni cheese, except those are pasta, fusilli pasta, but that doesn't really matter. I will do some sweet corn on the side because that's healthy, and just having macaroni slathered in cheese sauce is not the epitome of healthy, and I think we can all use healthy food right now. Yes, I'm going to drink my tea and make my throat happy. Then I'm phoning a friend whilst I'm cooking. One of my oldest childhood friends. I mean, not that she's old, but like I've known her a long time from when we were in high school together, so that's nice. And then I'm going to rest my weary body. And I'm watching, after dinner I'm watching Enchanted with the kids. We've been watching it in dribs and drabs, but we're gonna finish it tonight because we've only got like half an hour left. And then I'm going to have a early night, I hope, in preparation for concert day tomorrow. I just really hope that my throat feels a bit better. I'm rambling. Thank you very much for watching this vlog. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!